Today, we are going to listen to the experience of a patient who underwent the PRASAD treatment a month ago, 4 weeks before. This is not a promotional video. This is only about his journey and recovery. Hello, Mr. Ramachandran. This story is about your personal experience.
Yes,
We will use it only for education and awareness.
agreed.
Are you comfortable sharing your experience on camera?
Yes, I'm quite happy to do that.
Why did you look for a non surgical procedure?
Yeah, probably because I was afraid of a knife on my body. So I've been managing the pain with the non-steroidal drugs and some ointments and oils and all that. And I took a steroid injection at the advice of my doctor back in Canada. Then I read about this osteoarthritis and learned that the hyaluronic acid injection would be a good option for my case to relieve the pain. And I came down to India about a year and a half ago, and had that injection done, and that was giving me a temporary relief for about a year or so. But then I was looking for greater span of pain-free life and all that. So I started reading on the Google and other websites and all that, and I came across Dr. Venkatachalam and the procedure that he was doing, etc. I read a bit more. Being an engineer, I was inquisitive to know about this procedure, and his educational videos like this were very, very helpful to me. And all his client testimonials that he has recorded as videos, they were also very helpful. So I felt pretty much confident in getting this treatment so that I can have a better quality of life.
In the first 1 or 2 weeks after the Prasad treatment,
Yep.
what changes did you notice?
The first 1 or 2 weeks, yes, that's a good question because for the first week the bandages were on, so walking was a bit difficult. But I could feel internally to myself that the OA kind, the osteoarthritic kind of pain that was there earlier was probably not there. It was more of a discomfort because of the bandages, etc., which the doctor removed after about probably a week. Probably a week after the procedure, he had removed that, and he had prescribed me with the corrective knee braces, which I am to wear all the time that I am actively walking or going up and down the stairs, etc. And I did that accordingly as per his advice, and that has really helped me in walking with a greater level of comfort, greater level of confidence, and ease of walking also. And then slowly, as per his advice, after a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
So now it's 4 weeks now.
Yeah,
After 4 weeks, how do you feel your knee condition is?
I feel that it has definitely improved, particularly with the braces on. Without the braces, I would say that the minor pain is there, but as the advice is to wear the braces all the time, I would say with the braces on, the pain is not there, except when I am walking long or when I'm going up and down a stair in a temple, etc. But that is all once in a while. But in a day-to-day life pattern, I would say that the pain has reduced.
Did you expect instant relief or were you prepared for a gradual improvement?
That's that's again an interesting question because any medical procedure is not to give you an instant. It is not a instant fix. It is a gradual fix that's got to get into your body and react and act and all that. I mean, you have to do your own part, like you're doing exercises or going through a physiotherapy, which the doctor had recommended me, and I did that. So with all the procedure and all the self exercises, as he calls it, which I'm doing, regularly. So all that would help in getting back to normalcy faster instead of sitting, without doing the exercises. So, yeah, to answer the first question straight, yes, no procedure can give me an instant relief.
Now, in this
Gradual.
particular context, did you expect an instant relief like a steroid shot or were you prepared for the biological effect to act?
I was prepared for let's say, an extended recovery period, kind of few weeks or maybe a month or whatever, which is what is happening now. Because even the steroid didn't have any, I don't think the steroid gave me an instant, at once kind of an effect. It was also over a period of time that the the effect was really felt. So in this case, I was prepared for a gradual recovery rather than an instant recovery to a non-pain mode.
What would you like to tell others who are suffering from knee pain like yourself?
Yeah, I have encountered a few family members who are interested in getting a knee procedure, I may call it as generically. And I had told them that the knee replacement is not the only solution. There are other solutions that one can look at, like the biological treatment that the doctor is doing it. So they were quite, impressed by that. But they're all thinking about it, and I'm sure one day they're going to take this up as an option.
So you have listened to this patient's testimonial. Every patient is different, and the results vary from person to person. The success of any treatment depends upon a proper diagnosis, proper patient selection, stage of arthritis, and individual biology. A personalized, individualized treatment is always very important. No stairs. Been able to climb the stairs, sir?
Yeah.
Better than last time? Come down.